Chemotherapy can be draining, but staying active can be your secret weapon. Research shows that being physically active during chemo can boost your mood, reduce fatigue, improve sleep, maintain muscle mass, bone density, and minimize side effects. Small doses of activity can make a significant difference. Here are some simple tips to get you started. Take a daily stroll. Start with an easy small walk around your home or in your living room. Get up and walk inside your home and move from one room to another. Try to walk at least 30 minutes per day. Small household activities. Engage in small movements or assist your family members with simple errands or light chores. Try to engage in self-care activities independently, without relying on anyone's support. Opt for the stairs. When you're feeling up to it, choose the stairs over the elevator. It's a simple way to incorporate exercise into your daily routine. Garden yoga. Combine your love for gardening with gentle movement. Bend and stretch while tending to your plants, enjoying the benefits of nature and exercise. Dance party. Turn up your favorite music and have a dance party in your kitchen. Just a little move, shake your body, and move it. Not only is it fun, but it also gets your heart rate up. Water workouts. Water walking, as per your oncologist's recommendation, is gentle on your joints and provides a refreshing way to stay active. Listen to your body. Ease into activities, gradually increasing the intensity and duration. Listen to your body, rest when needed, and monitor your energy levels. Consult your psychologist and oncologist before starting any new activity. Remember, every little small step counts. Even small steps of activity can have a significant impact on your well-being. So, whether you're lacing up your shoes or grabbing your watering can, get moving. You've got this. A bonus tip: find an exercise buddy. Exercising with a friend can make the experience more enjoyable and motivating. Consider finding a buddy to share your exercise journey with.